We are here at Barker's Creek, where there are some bees in behind the blueboard and bricks just here, and we're going to be pulling them out. Okay, we've pulled out the bricks, just using our awesome Arbotech. It only tends to break any bricks that are already broken, so you'll see the full bricks are out in one piece, and there's a couple with chips in them that were already chipped. It's all good. Hive is behind there, and we have exposed the hive. It's still in a winter cluster, but it is starting to build up again. Beautiful girls, beautiful girls. Okay, we've pulled out most of the comb. One piece of comb wasn't really securely attached after I took the sisolation away, because it was probably mostly attached to the sisolation. So unfortunately it fell. Thankfully Queen wasn't on it. But we're now just going to start brushing some of these bees so that we can actually see the comb to cut it. We have 2 frames of brood so far with a little bit of honey. They've got not much resources coming out of winter, but we'll build them back up, and we'll put a lot of waste in buckets. Okay, Queenie is somewhere in amongst all these bees. Okay. All the comb is out, and we have 4 frames. One with some nectar and honey, and 3 with babies. Okay, and there is Queenie with a dot on her, and a nurse bee trying to clean off the purple mark that we've just put on the Queenie. Just let it dry before we put her back in the cage and then put her in the box. So yay. She was up in the left corner over there. I don't need to worry about getting any more of those bees, because now that I've got the brood and the queen, the rest will go into the box. Awesome. Okay, box is up on ladder, all strapped and whatnot. And looks like we blocked the entrance though. I will have to fix that. We'll just pack up our equipment and then see if they need a bit more brushing in a moment, but should be right from here. Okay, I've moved the hive down onto the table from its stand, because we've got a cluster up here. So I'm now going to sweep those bees down close to the hive, pop back tonight and see if there's any more that have clustered up there. They can be swept down tonight as well, and collect the hive tomorrow night. Okay. I've swept the bees from where they were down onto the mat. They're now working their way in. We will probably get some clusters up there tonight, but I'll whip back on the way past and sort them out as well. So it should all be good for tomorrow. Okay, came back at night, well not night, but on dusk, and we have the majority of the bees are now in the box. The clusters are all sorted out. So I'll come back tomorrow night and take it to quarantine. Exciting times.